everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is ice cream! And my mom made it keto friendly in our Cuisinart ice cream maker. She used the mint chip recipe this time, and it was delicious. Everybody gave it 2 thumbs up. So if you like mint and you like chocolate chips, you're going to like this one. You should give it a try. If you like our video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog out.
All right, so we're going to make some mint chocolate chip ice cream in our Cuisinart ice cream maker. Yes, that's right, Yoda. That's what we're making for the Monday meal. So we've got a cup of milk, which we're using, so delicious, coconut, unsweetened, because that's what I can have because I'm allergic to dairy. And then a cup of sugar, so we used monk fruit and swerve. I used the rest of the swerve though, so I finished it off with monk fruit. That's 3/4 of a cup. You mix until it's blended. I also shook in a little bit of Redmond's Real Salt here, because you always salt your desserts. So you beat this with a whisk or a beater for about 1 to 2 minutes until the sugar is dissolved, which is where we are now. Then we are going to add 2 cups of heavy cream, and instead of vanilla, we are using 1 to 1.5 teaspoons, it depends on your taste, of peppermint extract. So we're going to mix that all together. Okay, so we poured it in there, we started it, it's going to go, and in the last 5 minutes, we're going to put in our no sugar dark chocolate chips. All right, with 5 minutes left, we're putting 4 ounces of chocolate in there for our mint chip ice cream. It's already so thick. Gotta help it stir. Nummy, 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 it looks so yummy. All right, it's done. We're enjoying ours with some Hershey Zero Sugar Syrup. This is really good. It gets 2 thumbs up from everybody. Enjoy.